Got the rub rail installed. Lime green rubber hose. It's looking pretty good. About a foot short on this side here, so I have to take it all off and stretch a foot out from this side to make it work. Looks a lot more modern than the rope style of rub rail insert, so looks pretty cool. Sticks out a lot, so if you were to hit something, it's very protective. It's probably easier with two people, I noticed. If you have one person pulling it really tight and the other person squishing and pushing it into the insert right here. That looks pretty good. This is where it was too short here. So the rub rail's done. A couple other things that can be done. Probably cut out the letters instead of just having a marker. It's a piece of vinyl. And just marker written on here. You cut some letters out and that'll clean it up a lot better.